So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a YouTube video here on VN Video Editor. So once it's opened up, if you were to play the video right here, it may not necessarily be formatted for a YouTube video. So if you want to change that, go to the top, press original right here. Then under video settings, you want to make sure that your video is 16 by 9. What it's going to do now in my case is it didn't really do anything, but it's going to format your video in the form of a YouTube video here. So anything that you see if you play here, so if you were to go ahead and add like an element here, the YouTube logo, for example, etc., this exact format will be showing up on a YouTube video. So if you were to play and edit your video this way, you don't have to worry about anything being cut off, for example, because it's formatted in the form of a YouTube video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to make a YouTube video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.